Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the T900 Pro Max and preparing your phone. First, plug the magnetic charger and charge to over 20% so pairing won't fail. This prevents mid-setup resets. Once charging, install the companion app and enable Bluetooth and location on your phone because the app discovers the watch through those services. Next, open the app and choose Add Device. Make sure your watch screen shows the pairing code so you confirm the right device and avoid connecting to another nearby watch. Once done with discovery, tap Pair and confirm the code shown on both devices. This secures the link. After pairing, allow notification and contact permissions so messages and calls pass through. Without these, the watch remains limited. Then sync settings, set time, format, units, and pick a watch face. These are saved on the watch immediately. Finally, enable health sensors in the app so continuous heart rate and SpO2 data stream. This lets the watch record trends rather than single readings only. To finish, personalize quick settings, set daily alarms, and enable Do Not Disturb during sleep so notifications behave how you want. These changes improve daily comfort and battery life. Use the workout modes and enable auto-sync so each session transfers to the phone automatically for long-term tracking. If things go wrong, first reboot the watch and your phone, toggle Bluetooth, then retry pairing. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch from settings, then repeat pairing to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.